I am a pretty big Avatar nerd and find it even more fun to look at the different skills that the Avatar and his friends had and just kind of analyze them. So today we'll be using lists to do such. So a list is basically like a variable, but instead of holding only one value, it can hold up to as many values as you want. As well as a list is ordered, meaning we can take different values of it by using an index to manipulate it, and you can have duplicates. So you can have the same type of value in a list. So let's create our first list. How you do that is you name it. So we'll do rare skills, and then we will put brackets. That is for lists. So we'll add our values. So we'll start with the rare skills that any of the gang has shown. So lava bending. So this will also be with Korra as well. We could do water, metal, ice, fire, and lightning. So as you can see, a lot of the skills have not been put into the rare skill category. So we should add one that I found very notable, which is combustion. So let's pick a place where we want it. Let's say we want it in front of ice. Since it is indexed, we can get the index of what's in front of ice. So we'll have 0, 1, 2, 3. So we want to have on our skills, we'll do an insert. And then at index 3, because we want it in front of ice, we'll do combustion. Oops, if I can spell combustion, that is. Okay. So if we print out the list, which is really easy, you just do print, and then you do the name, rare skills, and then we save that. Do Python 3, and then the name. We can see that combustion is right in front of ice. But if you've ever watched Avatar or Korra, you know that ice and fire aren't really rare skills. They're pretty basic skills. So what we could do is we'll come up here and we will remove them. There are a couple of ways we can remove certain elements of a list. One such way is if we come up here, we could do the name. So what are we doing? And we could use pop. Pop basically takes whatever index you're looking at and removes it. So let's start with ice. So the index right now is 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we want to take it at the 5th one. Oh, wait. I just realized it starts at 0. So it would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's look at what will be popping out 4, which will remove, we'll just say it removes ice. And then we also want to remove fire. Another way to remove things is you can do remove. And then we'll put the name, fire. So a benefit of using remove instead of pop is if we have actual numbers in our list, you can't really remove that with pop because if you put a number in the pop one, it's using it as an index. But if we want to remove, say there's an actual 1 in our list, we want to use remove because remove will say, oh, we're removing the value of 1, not we're popping at the index of 1, if that makes sense. Okay, so now we did those. We can also change the list. So let's first save, and then we will once again print out our new list. Beautiful. So metal isn't really a skill. Metal bending is a skill, as well as water isn't also a rare ability. So we can remove water by basically changing what's at that index. So we can have rare skills, and then we can do the index of, so it'll be 0, 1. So at index of 1, we will just change that, and we can change it to vine Vine manipulation. So now water is removed and vine manipulation will be in its place. Except we're just changing the value instead of actually removing it completely. But say we want to also change metal to metal bending. We can say from 1, and since metal is right next to it, it would be at index 2. We want to go from 1, instead of 2, we actually go to 3, because this last number is saying we stop before this number. So if we want to do start at 1, because that's what the first number is, we're going to start at water, go to metal, but stop before combustion. So we'll now, since we have multiple variables, we will take this and we will put our second variable we want to change, which is metal bending instead of metal. Okay, so now it would be a good thing to save it once again, and then we will print it. So let's just clear this out so we have more is able to see easier. And so now we have, instead of water, we have vine manipulation. Instead of metal, we have metal bending. So another thing we want to do is basically combine 2 lists. So let's say we have a new list in town, basic skills. And then that's where you get your, that's where you get your fire and your water. Just the 4 elements that lived in harmony, and earth. So if we want to combine 2 lists, it's really easy. We just can either add it straight to rare skills, which would just be rare, it would be this, rare skills plus equals basic skills. But if we add it to rare skills, water, air, and stuff isn't really rare skills. So we can just add them together here and make it to a different variable, because that isn't really rare skills. So we just do avatar. Oops, if I can spell avatar, that is. Avatar skills. Because avatar has to master the rare skills and the basic skills. So since we're not adding it to itself anymore, we'll do that. Beautiful. So now we can print out avatar skills. And then something happening. Oops. We will clear this. And then we will do, oh, I can't spell. Okay, there you go. Now we're not having issues. I was wondering. Okay. So now, we have to save. Forgive me. So now, we have above our first rare skills, and then we have our combined avatar skills, and that is lists.